Welcome to National Defense Institute. In this video, we are going to look how to apply for Sainik examination 2025. So you have to go with NTA Sainik, All India Sainik School Entrance Exam. If you click that, it will show click here to register or log in. After that, go for new candidate registration here, and you'll be having the bulletin. And if you scroll down, you'll be having I have downloaded the information bulletin and click here for proceed. Then you'll be having the I have Aadhaar number and wish to create my login. So if you click that one, it will ask your Aadhaar number. Once your Aadhaar number is generated, you have to give your generate OTP. So the mobile number which is connected with Aadhaar, to that mobile number, you'll be receiving the OTP, and you have to enter the OTP and give us valid OTP. Next, it will take to you the Aadhaar details and personal details. Fill all the personal information, candidate name, the guardian or the father's name, and your mother's or guardian name. Next is your candidate's date of birth, mail ID, and confirm mail address. The mail address should be valid one and it should be inactive. And you have to give the gender. After gender, you will be moving to the next is your mobile number. After mobile number, you have to give the identify type. You can go with other valid government identity card with photograph, which is nothing but your Aadhaar. So that is your Aadhaar number. Once you give your Aadhaar number, go to the present address. You can go for the address and give your locality, country, state, district, and pin code. And you can generate the password. This password should be one caps and small letters, and you can use numbers. And proceeding with this one, you can go with the security code. If you enter the security code and then give the submit button, it will take to you the next as your particulars click list, like my name, father name. You have to click all these boxes: my name, father name, mother name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and gender. If you click all this, and you have to press I agree. You have to press I agree. Then it will ask, do you wish to submit the registration form and get OTP? You have to give yes. Once you give yes, it will take to another one for OTP. So now you will be receiving the OTP for the mobile number, and after verifying your mobile number, again it will come back to the original place, which is your registration. In that, you have to give your application number. Your application number will be sent to you with email. In the email, you'll be getting the application number, and the password which you did will be there. And you have to put the security pin as shown in below, which is your captcha, and go with login. After logging this one, you will be coming, all the details will be already filled inside. Just you have to give captcha and then you have to move. And every time if you are moving to the next one, it has to show data saved successfully. Then only you can move to the next page. And you have to give your gender, nationality as Indian, and we have other valid identities, your Aadhaar number, and category. You have to give category either general, OBC, ST, SC, or defense personnel or ex-serviceman. After that, you have to give with your annual income, and you have to give father's occupation, mother's occupation, and if you have guardian, and what is their graduation, what is the qualification they have, you have to give everything. And you have to go for them captcha, and data will be saved successfully. Later, you have to go and fill the important part of the application, which is for Sainik. For which Sainik? For example, it is Sainik 6 or Sainik 9. You have to give Sainik 6, or if you're opting for Sainik 9, give Sainik 9. And if you are studying in any Sainik school, give yes or no. And the preference for the Sainik school you have to give here. In the preference, you have to give Sainik school plus new Sainik school. So if the candidate cannot able to clear the Sainik school cutoff, they might also they have the chances of getting into the new Sainik school. And you have to choose the Sainik school. Which Sainik school you want to opt? We have choices. They'll be asking you 4 choices with respect to the Sainik School. 4 choices. And they'll ask you the exam state. You can give 4 exam states here. 1, 2, 3, 4 exam states are there. That means in Tamil Nadu, you can give and then you can go by one. After that, you have to give the status as your pass, or you have to give us something not applicable and then enter the captcha. You'll go to the next one. And any of your siblings is studying in the Sainik School, you have to give yes or no. Have you appeared in any of the Sainik School exam before? If it is yes, you have to give. If it is no, no. Then you have to choose the document files, photo, signature, thumb impression, domicile, and date of birth. Next to that one, it will take you to this page, which is valid by everything. What are all the things you uploaded? Everything will be shown in this slide. And later you have to go for the OTP with mobile number. And still the application form is not incomplete. It is incomplete. Fee is incomplete. Go and click complete application form. If you click the complete application form, again it will take you to the thing and it will show your mobile number is verified. Once your mobile number is verified, you can proceed with next stage, which is your review page. Review page, you have to give all these things. Your name, mother name, mobile, class, date of birth, everything is, you have to give us a tick box and give I agree and give final submit. Once you give the final submit, it will take to the next page, which is nothing but your payment. You have to pay 800 rupees for general category, for OBC and general category. For ACST, it is 650 rupees. And after the payment, you have to go for the next stage, which is your pay now options. Options, what are the options you have? You have to give SBI Pay. In this SBI Pay, we have many options. Make sure you're giving UPI, so that is convenient for everyone. If you click the UPI, it will take you to the next, that is your QR code or VPA. So click QR code here. Once the QR code is clicked, click confirm button. It will show the scan. It will show you the scan and the payment will be successful. The payment will be successful and here the status will be success. Once your payment is success, it will preview your whole application which you applied. So in this, it will show registration is complete, application form is complete, fee payment is complete. If any of the 3 boxes is not complete or it is in the incomplete, you have to check so that your application is not filled properly. Once it is done, it will show the preview of your application for your acknowledgement that you applied for the Sainik examination. This is a preview application which will be shown to you. What are all the details you gave, it will be shown in this one single application form, and what are all the photo, signature or everything will be shown in this like this. Once you received this one, then only you applied for the Sainik exam 2025. Make sure that one, or else no, you didn't apply. Some parents or the students will be thinking that they applied for the examination once payment is over. After the payment, make sure you are receiving this form. This form is very, very important for your acknowledgement. Okay, so thank you. Do well. All the best for your examination. See you in the next video.